All right, first look, and yeah, we're gonna get it over there. Yeah, thanks, Apex. It says, do not drive over 50 miles an hour, Dwayne.
Wow, it's got a bunch of boulders stuck in between the dually. What, is there water still on this thing?
We're doing this for you, Dwayne. Still drives! We have a truck. We have a trailer. We have a very, very, very enthusiastic member of the Oregon Fire Service Museum. Oh, we got my buddy John. John really knows what he's doing, right?
Absolutely.
Voice of confidence. So we're taking that truck and that trailer, and we're going to put a 1948 fire truck on it that hasn't moved in like 50 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So you said you have a winch.
I do have a winch.
and we've measured a couple of times, so it should fit.
Yes.
And it's a tilting trailer.
Yes. It's got hydraulic tilt.
And we think we know how much it weighs. What could possibly go wrong? We're almost here. Been shaken up a little bit by having a dry trailer behind me, but we're really excited. I've never seen this. John's never seen this before, so we're about to see what this looks like.
You should see that in between the dually right there. It's got a bunch of rocks stuck in it.
Oh, that's so funny. I mean, there's not really any rust on it. I mean,
it's not
a
bad.
little bit, maybe.
It's not too bad.
I mean, regardless, it's coming back to the museum, and we're going to see what we end up doing with it. Forklift is coming. Here we go.
Alright, yeah. No, I'm not going to be able to turn that without it moving.
All right. Oh, look at that. Magic. Tilting trailer.
Oh, yeah.
Makes our life easy.
It does.
I have genuinely no idea how to do any of this stuff, which is why we have the professionals.
Good?
I think so.
You ready to go? Yep. You want to winch it up?
Yeah, we're gonna. Do you want to winch it, or do you want to have him push it?
Oh, I figured we'd have you push it as far as it'll go, and then just put the e-brake on and hold it there.
Does the e-brake work?
Oh, I meant
on that. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Oops. Oh, that's my bad. I just scraped it up a little bit, but it's being held on by the lug nut.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, sorry about that, man.
Oh, that's all good.
Yeah, that's my bad.
Oh, it's all good.
Yeah, it's just the lug nut's got it a little bit right there.
Oh.
He was going that way a little bit too much. You're just too strong. You came back the other way a little bit too much. Wait. So you have your own winch? You have an Apex winch?
Yes. It's my brand. I'm actually a lot richer than you think I am.
Oh, geez. Wow. What are we even doing here then? Jeez. Should have his people do this.
I know, that's what I keep saying. Alright, we're good. Uh-oh. You may have to help us go up.
Go up a little bit? Yeah, to help it tilt.
Yeah, because it is definitely... Is there water still on this thing?
I don't think so. The only water I saw was dripping off the top. But...
Real slow. That's good. We're good.
Good.
That's probably good. I mean, we'll find out whether we're able to go 50 or 40.
Well, and isn't there a great song that says, I can't go 55?
Yeah.
But I think that's the opposite direction.
I'm feeling probably this is not a 55 mile an hour tow.
There is a sign on the inside.
Yeah. It does say, Dwayne,
Yeah.
don't be going over 50.
No, this is great.
I wonder if Dwayne wrecked one of these
Very likely.
back in the day. I'd love to know who Dwayne was.
There's got to be a story behind it.
This thing, high gear is 25 miles an hour. Wow.
Wow.
25, which means that Dwayne's doing 50. We got it all hooked up. I should say we.
Yeah.
John actually got it all hooked up because, again, he actually knows what he's doing. So thanks again to Chris and his family for donating this. We're going to haul it up to the museum. It's 20 miles from here.
Okay.
Should be very little drama, right?
I'm hoping so. I think we'll be all right, though.
All right, let's get going. So I shouldn't say anything too early because we're still like an eighth of a mile away. But you can see, I mean, the truck's back there, and the sirens and the lights still attached to the top, which means we've done something correctly. So we are almost to Powerland. Let's see about getting off. See, this is why he's just good. Yeah, this is where its home's gonna be for a little bit. All right, I say this now, but I have a bet with my wife. I'm going to be home by 3 o'clock. It's currently 1 o'clock. I think we're going to do it. John, the guy that knows what he's doing, is going to be very kindly putting it just right down right there. So should go well, I hope. This thing seems like it makes things a lot easier.
So much easier.
Look at me, I'm going to be helpful here. When was the last time that I actually steered something from the 40s? This is duties as assigned as a board member. I mean, this is still my favorite thing. It says, do not drive over 50 miles an hour, Dwayne. That's so funny, considering third gear is 25 miles an hour. It's pretty messy in here, but so there's a battery in 1997 that got put in here. Some old mutual aid. Okay, there we go. That's pretty cool. It has the different gallons on each one of the different pumpers that they have there, which is pretty awesome. You know, manual transmission, of course, from the era. So it looks like probably PTO and probably e-brake. This will be for another day to figure out. This was an alarmingly easy drive and everything. Is what happens when you have professionals. So gonna give a shout to one more time to John for thanks for hauling this over, because I really did not do anything besides to say thanks to Chris and his family. All right, 10 points for figuring out how to be able to open this thing up. Oh man, look at that. You can clear property, you can drive equipment, but can you figure out how to open up? Oh, do you grab this? Oh, do you grab this?
Oh, maybe. Yep. Nice.
Do you grab it on both? Oh.
Okay. So before I open this all the way, I want to make sure I'm not bending the hood.
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're good.
There it goes. There it goes.
Okay.
It was hanging up on something. So the first thing I would do is hit those with WD-40, all the things, so that you don't taco this hood.
You want to talk about it?
Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, it's an old PTO engagement.
Oh, the button?
Yeah.
You got Holly Carb. I don't know if that's stock or not. Who knows? It should be a 6-volt system is what I've been told.
That wouldn't surprise me one bit.
What do we have in here?
Unless it's been converted.
Yeah, there's nothing we can see on that.
And
But is that like does that look like the old voltage regulator? Does that look correct?
that's exactly what that is, and it's what it says on it.
Yeah.
It says voltage regulator, American Bosch. Yep, there's the generator down there.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yep. So,
Huh. I mean, it's not bad. I don't see any, like,
yeah.
a little bit of mice evidence.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad.
I like the HVAC system.
Yeah.
Um,
Your climate control.
yeah. This radiator looks like it might have seen better days.
Yeah, but I'm sure it's been brazed a few times since farmers owned it. Farmers love to braise things.
Right. Brazen act.
Yes, indeed. Very cool. I think she's a pretty complete original example of 1948 technology.
I mean, honestly, man, you know what I'd do? Is I'd probably just seal the patina. I'd probably try to pull out that dent, and I'd just drive it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'd probably try to.
So I would wash it really good, and then I'd get like some type of like Poppy's patina or some kind
Exactly.
of like a clear coat.
Exactly.
I mean, this I think has the perfect patina for a patina rig.
Yeah, it's good. It's good
Yeah.
stuff.
And I sure would hate to lose those original graphics on the side.
Oh yeah, those are so
You know?
so cool. Yeah.
Because how are you going to reproduce that? I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out there that could do that, but
Yeah.
I mean, it would be hard.
We had a guy that hand painted one. I'll show it to you.
Oh.
Over. But yeah, so we got this one and that one also. It's got really cool graphics on it, but patina paint that I just thought was awesome. This one is Roni rig, built Portland. Served last in Long Beach, Washington, and look at that.
Wow.
This one is it's a Diamond T, which is pretty cool. And as I learned, thanks to the internet, this is actually an international cab, so you can actually get glass for it, which is pretty good, because someone got upset about it or whatever. Oh hey, so John, I want to say thank you one more time for making that.
Yeah.
Go right there. So if you live in the Albany area or surrounding areas, you need property clearing, demolition, all sorts of fun things. We want to say thank John. He did this literally for absolutely no cost except for maybe some lunch, which is always a good thing. I just want to say thank you for that. Thanks for the support for the Oregon Fire Service Museum, and we'll check you out at one of our great events over the summer 2024. It's going to be a lot of fun, and in the meantime,
Heck yeah.
check out John's website.